Okay, section 3.7, number 62. You're told that y is equal to the cosine of 1 over x, and you want to divide that by 1 plus x squared. All right, so this is like your high and your low, right? So we might want to just say our high is going to be equal to the cosine of x to the negative 1. Everybody okay with x to the negative 1 power? Because 1 over x, right? So d high, the derivative of the high, is going to be negative sine x to the negative 1 times the derivative of x to the negative 1, which is negative 1x to the negative 2. So we might think of that as, this is going to be positive sine 1 over x squared. Now our low is 1 plus x squared, and our d low is going to be just 2x. Okay, now our quotient rule is low d high minus high d low over low squared. Right, well, what was low? Low was 1 plus x squared. D high was ugly. It was sine 1 over x squared minus our high, which was cosine 1 over x times the d low, which was 2x. That's all over low squared, which was 1 plus x squared squared. All right, so this is ugly, and you want to clean it up a little bit. This x squared is in the denominator of this, which you want to have a common denominator. So you want to multiply, put this over 1, multiply it by x squared over x squared. So our numerator is going to be 1 plus x squared times the sine of 1 over x minus, all right, well, that's going to be, let me put this into the front. So that's going to be 2x cubed times the cosine of 1 over x. That's all over x squared, which is our common denominator that we just created there. Now, we're dividing that by 1 plus x squared squared. Now, you know, when you have a fraction, like if you had 1/3 divided by 2, you can write this as 1/3 times 1/2, right? So you can put this over 1 and flip it. So this denominator is actually going to come to live right up here. So it cleans up in its most attractive form as 1 plus x squared times the sine of 1 over x minus 2x cubed times the cosine of 1 over x over x squared times 1 plus x squared squared. All right, so there is a problem only its mother could love.